Before we start, let me just greet everybody. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there or to your mommies. Yeah, today is Mother's Day. Send love, especially with your mother. Actually, do not forget to send love with your mother every day. Make them feel really special every day. So, let's see, what do we have here, guys? We have here the Page of Pentacles energy. It looks like you are someone here who is taking care of your well-being. I do see that maybe others of you could be into yoga. Others of you could be doing here meditation, but doesn't have to be. Others of you, I'm seeing that you are into gym or into exercising. Doesn't have to be that it's in the gym, but for others, yeah, you're going to the gym. But for others, you're just exercising right here. And because of that, you are really vibrating here a very good energy. Yeah. You know what? When you exercise, okay, your energy right here is really into high frequency. It's like whatever it is that you're manifesting in your life, it's something here that vibrates positively because you are exercising. Yeah. So let's keep moving. Whatever it is that you're holding in that Page of Pentacles energy is this Ace of Pentacles. It looks like you're doing here something here for yourself, and you're starting from the ground up. So whatever that is, it looks like you're showing here effort. It looks like you are someone here who is very determined to whatever that is, because this Ace of Pentacles energy is someone here who really dig deep, who really plant that seed and make it grow. So it looks like you are really starting here something stable, something here that you know you will benefit big time. So that's the energy that I'm picking up. So let's see what that is. I'm picking up that this involves here your dreams, your hopes, your wishes, and I do see that because of this thread, look at that thread, it looks like you are holding this type of faith in you that one day all of your wishes will do come true. Yeah, always believe that, sweetheart. Always believe that. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out other informations related to this reading of yours. Wow, Empress right off the bat together with the Queen of Wands energy. Beautiful energies to start with. Wow. So, let's keep moving to get more information about this reading of yours. You also have here the Queen of Cups energy. Yeah, this is an evident right here that you are really an Empress. We do not have any gender right here, so just take only what resonates. But because we already have here the Queen of Wands and the Queen of Cups, this is a confirmation right here that you really are embodying the Empress-like energy. So yeah, wow. So I'm seeing that your intuition is really on point right now. And I do pick up that this is something here that you really value. You're giving more attention here into your intuition, especially when dealing here with different situations. So let's keep moving. You also have here the Chariot energy, Knight of Swords energy, Two of Wands in reverse, Six of Wands, Page of Wands, Page of Swords, Three of Coins energy, Six of Cups, Three of Cups, Eight of Wands, and the World card energy. I'm seeing a happier you in the future. I'm seeing a happier you. Yeah. So, let me just greet everybody before we talk more about this. Hi and hello, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. I'm from the Philippines. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender right here. And of course, this is timeless as well. So, just take only what resonates here with you, guys. So, we do have here the Empress, and there's this Queen of Wands energy, Queen of Cups. So definitely you are in this type of energy that you feel like you always know what to do. Yeah. So even though you are facing here different situations in your life, whatever that is, because this is general reading, whatever situation right here you're facing or you are about to face it, it's like this gives me this type of message that you always know what to do, what's the right thing to do in those situations, and how to handle that really well, or how to handle it the right way. So I'm picking up that this is you. We have here the Chariot, and there's this Knight of Swords energy. You always act based on your intuition. You always process things based on your intuition. And why not? Because your intuition right here is always 101% on point. You do not hesitate right here as long as you decide from your intuition. I do pick up that you do not hesitate to make a bold movement or to create a bold action. Okay? From your intuition. Okay, so I do pick up that this is you. You are really creating here actions and movements to help you come out from any situation, especially if those are difficult ones. So I do pick up right here that with the Two of Wands energy in the reverse, this signifies that this is you, sweetheart. Maybe in the past, this is you. You are someone here who fears especially the unknown. Just by even thinking of doing here something in the past, it looks like it 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 instantly creates some kind of fear, and you instantly get scared in the past whenever you think of doing here something, whenever you are thinking here to to act out about something. Okay, fear always interrupts in the past. So that's what I'm picking up right here. So I do not see that you are still resonating with your old self. I do see that this is you. You are really someone here who did improved, who did evolve, especially when it comes to your mindset, and especially on how you act out on things. You are now really matured. And I'm picking up that this is you as long as you know that this movements right here or bold actions that you're about to take will definitely help you to be successful or to whatever situation that is. I'm seeing you doing it. You're not hesitating doing it. Okay, as long as it will give you success, as long as it will make you happy. So I do pick up right here that this is you. You no longer resonate here with your old self. You are now the version 3.0 of yourself right here, and I'm picking up that you are more likely free spirited now. This is you. You are someone here who is more spontaneous. I do pick up that this is you. You are really enjoying your new version of yourself right now, and I do see that you love this new version compared with your old self. So I do pick up right here that with the Page of Swords energy, Three of Coins, I do pick up that this is you. You always strategize and make things happen right here. You are not afraid with building like a connection here with other people, as long as you feel that they are someone here that can be trustworthy. I do pick up that this is you. You no longer resonate here with your old self. You're no longer afraid to try whatever it is that you need to try in order to create some kind of change in your life. And I do pick up that this is you. You are being more strategic here when it comes to your goals and plans in life. And I do see that this is you. You are really doing great, or you are really doing well when it comes to your finances here. You're really creating here changes when it comes to your coins, pentacles, money. I do see that this is you. You are really entering into this type of Empress-like energy. I repeat, we do not have any gender here, so just take only what resonates. But I'm picking up that you're gonna build here something great when it comes to your career, job, or business. So I do see that in the near future. Six of Cups energy, Three of Cups right here, Eight of Pentacles in the World card. I'm seeing you um meeting right here new connections. This is somewhat here giving me the vibe of creating new friendships with other people. And I do see that these people right here will be someone here that will support you. Okay, these people right here that will come your way, I'm seeing them that there will be your alliance. They will be your friend right here. Yeah, I do see that these people here will definitely help you to be more successful. And these people right here will create changes in your life with the world card. I'm seeing them helping you in every single thing that they think they can really contribute to your success, to your growth right here. I'm seeing that these are good people with good intentions to you. So whatever that is, friendships, but I'm picking up right here that for others of you, especially when you are searching here for love, this friendship might turn to love and relationship. So I do see that these people right here will create this will contribute more to you in changing here your entire world. So definitely your life is really evolving or progressing positively right now. And I do see that this is you. You will be connecting here with new people in the immediate future, guys. So definitely look at that. See? Look at the tummy. It looks like a world. Okay. So the world card is present here. So definitely this is another confirmation that your life is really changing and your world is really changing. I'm seeing that your world is being balanced right now and you know it. Yeah. I do pick up right here that this is not something here that you are surprised or shocked, but I do see that this is you. You are really feeling this change already before it happens. So I do see that you already know what's really going on with your life. That's why you're just following here your intuition. You always know what to do. I'm really proud of you. It's like there's no problem right here that is bigger than the solution. Yeah, you always eye for the solution instead of focusing with the problems itself. So I do see that this is you. You are very confident with the Six of Wands energy, Page of Wands. You're very confident right here in whatever it is that you are about to face in your life. And you no longer exist with the old version of yourself. Yeah, it's like this is you. Who is that old version of myself? I don't know who that is. I am now enjoying the new version of myself, 3.0 version, and I love what I'm doing with my life right now. Yeah. So I do see that this is you. You are well guided here by your angels and spirit guides. It's like this is them. They're really happy here to see you succeeding in whatever it is that you are planning to do or that you are already doing here with your life. And I do see that these people right here will be sent by the universe to help you create those changes that you really want to happen here in your life. These people will help you, support you when it comes to your career business. These people right here might support you as well when it comes to your love life and commitment, as long as the heart space is concerned. These people right here will be at your side and will be sending you good vibes, because I'm picking up that these people right here will also make you happy in any way possible. So I do see that these people here will definitely create those beautiful changes here that you are also wanting for yourself. So I do see that there will be good news as well when it comes to your uh family or into your home. There will be a good news. I'm seeing that maybe there's something here that's gonna happen with your family or with your home, and I do see that this is something here positive. So expect some kind of good news already come to your family or to your home. So I do see that there's also someone here who wants to work things with you. Um, this is someone here. If you're already connecting here with someone, like in a love, romantic situation, you already have a boyfriend, girlfriend for others of you, or you already have a wife or a husband here. I do see that this person here will continue to give, okay, into this type of relationship here with you guys. This person here loves you so much, and this person here wants to to always look out for you, take care of you. This is a very loving person here. That's what I'm picking up. And whoever this individual is, I do pick up that this is someone here who is not just a lover to you, but also a best friend, acting as well as a best friend of yours. So definitely you're really having a good life. I do not see that you're already that you are someone here who is resonating with your old self. I do pick up that this is you. You are not afraid of anything anymore. Yeah. As long as you know that it will make you happy, you always pursue whatever that is. I'm picking up that you are more likely free in expressing here yourself more, and I'm picking up that your energy is really getting stronger and stronger each day. You are now focused here in the beautiful things, unlike in your old self. I do pick up that you are always in fear, you are always being affected by the negativities around you. But now, you are really someone here who is embodying this very radiant, very vibrant energy that protects you in this life that you are building or creating here for yourself. Very good, sweetheart, because this is actually giving me already this message that you will be happier, okay, in the future. I'm seeing a happier version of yourself, and I'm picking up that you will be at your happiest place in the future. So I do pick up that you can definitely achieve that happiest version of yourself. As long as you continue to do what you're doing right now, it's not impossible for you to be able to create that happiest place ever for yourself. Continue working on yourself right here and continue giving self-worth, and everything right here will be in order. The stars and the sun is aligning here in your favor. Listen to your intuition. They're 101% on point, sweetheart. And you will always, always, always make a decision right here, okay? Which is the best thing or the right decision for you. So thank you so much for your time here, sweetheart. I really do appreciate it a lot. Please be reminded that the months of May, June, and July are the most important months in 2024, because this is the best time, or this is the best period that you can pursue your dreams or your goals or your plans here in your life, because this is something here like that period of the stars or the sun is being aligned with your intentions, and making your wish right here can possibly come true. Yeah, within the 3 months, May, June, July, you can be able to achieve here whatever it is that you're dreaming or you're wishing, hoping, and praying for. So, hey, take that opportunity right here. Grab that opportunity here. Pursue your dreams more this May, June, July 2024. Thank you so much. Love and light.